Hi, in today's video we'll be going over some creative methods on how to tackle the challenge of wearing a mask and hearing aids. We understand that not many like wearing masks, as it can be an irritant on the ears, but have no fear. First we'll be going over how to put on the mask with hearing aids. First, you are going to put the hearing aid on. This will allow the aid to be tight against the ear. Next, you will put the mask on. Now the mask should be right after, so it should be your head, the hearing aid, and then the mask. Though we understand that wearing a mask and hearing aids can still be difficult. Here are some tips and tricks to give you some relief behind your ears. The first option is the ear saver. It reduces the irritation of the elastic against the ear while allowing the hearing aids to sit freely. An alternative to the ear saver is a paper clip. Another alternative is, if you have a lot of hair, is to actually use your ponytail. The last alternative that we have is, if you wear glasses, is to use a button. So what you're going to do is, with the button, you're going to have the two elastic bands. You're going to take the arm of your glasses and you're going to thread it through. So that it's nice and snug, just like that. Okay, so once you have the buttons attached, what you're going to do is you're going to take your mask and all you're going to do is just wrap it around the button. Nice and easy. Just like that. And then put it on your face. So one last thing, if you do need to take off your mask, I'd recommend that you do it in a safe, open area that you can see all the way around you. I don't recommend that you take off your hearing aids or your mask in an area like a car or outside, as they are more likely to fall in a nook and cranny. I hope this video helps. If you need any of the supplies shown in the video today, please give us a call. I hope you all stay safe.